This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Suzy Weldon. Step into modern comfort with this impeccably designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Huntsville's Cedar Bluff subdivision. Boasting a sleek split floor plan, this residence seamlessly blends style and practicality. Enjoy the privacy of a fenced backyard and the convenience of a spacious 2-car garage, making it an ideal retreat for both relaxation and entertaining. Don't miss out on this gem. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzy Weldon at 479-746-8690.